Hey guys, this is Karen from JazTime.com, and today we're just doing a quick comparison between two of the same model watches. These are the Rolex SKY-Dwellers that were recently released at the Bezel World 2017 show. I just want to show you quick differences between the steel version, the steel model, and the two-tone model. So on my left here, here's the steel model. This is reference number 326933. And the two-tone model here on my right, similar reference number, which is 326934. Of course, there's going to be a difference in pricing. You're looking at a 14,400 retail as of January 2018 for the steel version, and you're looking at 17,150 for the two-tone version from authorized Rolex retailer. Of course, you can find the best prices for these watches on our website at JazTime.com. We have the most up-to-date pricing, so give our website a check out after this video. So for the steel version, you're looking at the ability to have the watch and then actual blue dial, white or black, whereas the champagne, rather the two-tone version, you can have it in a black, champagne, and white dial. So those are the two different color styles you can get. Main difference for the two-tone, you're looking at a nice 18-karat yellow gold bezel opposed to the 18-karat white gold bezel on the steel version. The hour markers are fashioned in 18-karat white gold in the steel version, yellow gold in the two-tone version. The hands as well, the hands are opted for 18-karat white gold for the steel version, 18-karat yellow gold for the two-tone. The crown different as well. You're looking at a steel crown for the steel version, and a yellow gold crown for the yellow gold version. Bracelet, two-tone as well, but both still high polish down the center, contrasting with the satin finish on the sides of the three-piece oyster links. So you can see that nice high polished yellow gold through the two-tone version, and the nice high polished steel on the steel version. So here's a clasp. So other side of the bracelet now. Okay. All right. Forgot to mention the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position. White gold for the steel version, yellow gold for the two-tone version. So that's where you can find the differences in the yellow, where they use yellow gold and where they use white gold for these watches. Okay. Alright, so if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, JazTime.com, for the lowest prices. Have a good day.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.